Is this visible, guys?
हाँ सर.
So I'll start from the back. Why? Because in the end you have all the PYQ question. So mean free path, you got three PYQ from mean free path exact in the same way based on the diameter and number density can be expressed. Mean free path is expressed in the form of 1 by root 2 pi and d square. Correct? It depends upon diameter square and number density. This small n is the number density. Got it? So answer was first, direct answer. Even 19th question was direct. Uh, Chandana, what is the answer of this? Specific heat ratio, the term of degree of freedom is equal to. Chandana, how? Because you know CV is equal to degree of freedom by 2 R. CP is equal to degree of freedom by 2 plus 1 R. And you are calculating gamma, which is equal to CP by CV. R will be cancelled because ratio, right? So it will be F plus 2 by 2 divided by F by 2. 2 will be cancelled. It will be F plus 2 by F and it will be 1 by 2 by F. Yes or no? Should I explain this again? Anybody have doubt in this? Am I audible, guys, for all of you?
Yes sir.
Yeah. Any doubt in 19th question?
No sir.
Yeah. Remember, most of people will tell you formula. Ki remember this formula. 1 by 2, 1 plus 2 by n. Never remember formula. Go with this method because this is more popular method and you can solve other type of question through CV and CP. Then take the ratio, you will get answer. Here, in question number 18, 1 mole diatomic gas transition from A to B, when diatomic gas number of mole 1 and degree of freedom 5. What will be the value, Sania, from A to B? Change in internal energy.
By 2 into RT.
Correct?
Yes sir.
And nRT is equal to PV. Correct? F by 2 instead of nRT, you can say PV or work done. Correct? What is the degree of freedom? 5 by 2. What is the work done? 5 minus 2, 3 kilopascal. And here 6 minus 4, 2. Correct? So 3 to the 6. How I got this answer? One mole of diatomic gas from transition A to B. What will be the work done? Number of mole is 1.
सर फिर भी तो अलग आंसर.
क्या?
सर 15 है ना आंसर इस प्रोसेस में.
हाँ. It will
2
be
into 6 minus
15 kilojoule we are getting. How? Yes, Sanjana, you were saying something. How I am getting minus 15? 1 mole diatomic gas A to B along the path AB. In AB, what is happening? Volume is increasing, pressure is decreasing, so it will be in negative form. So it means answer will be either minus 12 or minus 20. Correct? And if this is the situation, delta U is equal to nRT. Any mistake I did? Oh,
Sir,
I have to write
final
like this,
minus
na?
initial.
Final minus initial. Correct. F by 2. Instead of nRT, you will write P2 V2 minus P1 V1. Okay. P2 V2 minus P1 V1. Why? Because work done is equal to delta nRT. Anything can be like variable, which is equal to delta PV. Either pressure is changing or volume is changing. Make sense, guys? Any doubt? Work done is equal to delta nRT. So it will be equal to delta PV. P2 minus P1. So this will be 5 by 2. What is P2 value? 5. V2 value? No, no, no. P2 value will be final pressure is 2 into 10 raised to power 3. And V2 value final 6 minus. So this is 12 minus. What is the P1 value? 5. What is V1 value? 4. Correct? Minus 20. So plus 12 minus 20, it will be minus 8. 5 by 2 minus 8. 2 4s are 8 minus 20. Any doubts? So when I wrote here PV, we should write delta PV, not PV, delta PV. P2, V2 minus P1, V1. Any doubt? This is direct question. Hydrogen diatomic gas, helium monoatomic gas, another diatomic gas, not rigid and additional vibrational mode. So rotational, vibrational mode are present. So for monoatomic gas, value is 5 by 3. Diatomic gas, 7 by 5. For extra vibrational, 2 will be added in diatomic due to vibration. Correct? So 9 by 7. Done. Any doubt or should I? Guys, if you are not able to understand, tell me directly, sir. Can you please explain this again? Anybody have doubt in this?
सर 18 नंबर क्वेश्चन थोड़ा
हाँ तो नहीं, इधर लंबी पीडीएफ है. हाँ 18 number question. We have to calculate internal energy. And formula of internal energy is degree of freedom by 2 and R delta T. This is the formula. And degree of freedom is same and R delta T is also equal to P2 V2 minus P1 V1. final work done minus initial work done. This is the formula we are getting. यहाँ पे कोई डाउट्स नहीं?
No, sir.
So for diatomic gas, degree of freedom is 5. Pressure P2 is, I guess, 2. V2 is 6 minus P1 is 5. V2 is 4. Now you can do calculation. You will get answer. It will be minus. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes. Anybody have doubt in question number 17? Anvita, Chandana, Pratigya, and Sania.
No
No,
doubt.
sir.
Okay.
नहीं
Okay. So this is direct question. Root means square velocity. VRMS is equal to under root 3 RT by M or under root 3 P by rho or under root 3 KBT by small m. These are the three formula. Pressure is equal to 1 by 3 rho VRMS square. Correct? And this is equal to mass by volume VRMS square. Mass is also equal to number of molecule multiply by mass of each molecule by volume VRMS square. And number of molecule by volume is to the density. This n is not actually n, it is the density, number density. Okay, it is number density. So this number density is equal to given number of molecule divided per unit volume. You write it capital N, it will be easy to understand. Okay, so capital M is equal to what is capital M? Total mass. What is total mass? Number of molecule and mass of each molecule divided by volume, and this is equal to Nm VRMS. What I am doing, मैं डिराइव करके दिखा रहा हूँ कि अलग अलग वर्जन में पूछा जा सकता है. I'm showing you by derivation that it can be asked in different form. Don't worry about it. Any doubt, Anvita?
नो सर
Next. Average kinetic energy of a gas. So when you take average kinetic energy of a gas, it is usually 1 by 2 kBT. For monoatomic gas, it will be 3 by 2 kBT. Okay. And total internal energy of diatomic gas, delta U is equal to F by 2 nRT, 1 mole. N value is 1. Correct. What is diatomic gas F value? 5. Tell me any doubt. We just did this question. Correct. 5 by 2 RT. In previous question. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next. We did this in class. We did this in class. Who would like to explain this question? Pratigya. N molecule, each of mass this, gas A. 2N molecule, each of mass 2M, gas B. The same vessel, same temperature. Mean square velocity of B is V square. Means square rectangular component of velocity A is omega square. What is omega square by V square? Pratigya. How will you calculate this? Pratigya. So, if you are taking velocity omega square in x-axis, it is omega square. Then same omega square will be present in y-axis. Same omega square will be present in z-axis. Correct? Correct. Same omega square will be present in z-axis. X, Y, Z, omega square. And here we are talking about, what should I say, speed kind of thing. Okay, here it's more like speed, not velocity. So if you calculate what is the total speed in all the three directions, total speed. So this total speed will be x axis, y axis, and z axis, all addition. It will be 3 omega square. Correct. And now you have to see that they are present in the same temperature and same vessel. So their kinetic energy will be same. So these are the two thing, important point here. See, the first thing is it is a scalar quantity, so total speed addition of one. Second, here kinetic energy of both A, kinetic energy of A will be same as kinetic energy of B. What is the kinetic energy of A? 1 by 2. Mass is m, velocity is 3 omega square. Speed 1 by 2. In B container, mass is 2m and velocity is v square. You can calculate ratio. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel. M cancel. Omega square by v square will be 2 by 3. Is it really difficult? We discussed this in class. Barinder, you solve. Tell me next question. 14th. Of a given mass, RMS velocity is 200 at this temperature and this pressure. If temperature pressure is this, what will be the RMS speed? What should I do in this?
सर जो
Barinder.
वेलोसिटी है मतलब VRMS है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है टेम्परेचर अंडर रूट टेम्परेचर के
Exactly. But that is the main thing. VRMS is equal to under root 3 RT by M. When you are taking same gas, so M value is fixed. R value is always fixed. It means VRMS directly depend upon the temperature. So if I have to calculate V2 by V1, what will be T2 temperature, Varinder? You have to convert this temperature in Kelvin.
Kelvin
That's all. So every time I will tell you mechanism. What mistake you can do is what should we consider. So directly proportional to temperature. Second, take temperature in Kelvin. Take temperature in Kelvin. That's all. You will get the answer. Ratio. Sania, 13th question.
सर इसमें हम लोग VRMS इज
ये
इक्वल
कॉन्सेप्ट
टू
बताने में
एस्केप स्पीड
VRMS is equal to escape speed is equal to
से 11 किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड ले सकते हैं
correct 11.2 kilometer per second 11 भी ले सकते हैं. This is one formula. And what is the VRMS formula?
सर VRMS का फॉर्मूला 3 3 kBT by M.
Correct. So this VRMS value is equal to 11.2 kilometer per hour. You have velocity value, you have kb value, you have mass of one gas particle. This you have to calculate. Calculation आप कर सकते हो.
Yes, sir.
Keep asking your doubt if you have any. Next, three vessel equal capacity. It means equal volume, same temperature, same pressure. Everything is same. First vessel have monoatomic gas helium, second fluorine diatomic, and third contains sulfur hexafluoride polyatomic. Correct. Anvita, what is the concept? Anvita, पता क्या तुम्हें आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ सर अभी
यार हाँ अनंता बताओ what is the concept here? अनविता
सर मोलर मास से रिलेटेड कुछ होगा ना
VRMS is equal to under root 3 RT by M. So VRMS is inversely proportional to the mass. It means if you increase mass, VRMS will decrease. Now you are asking for the VRMS maximum. It means mass should be minimum. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Now this is what like rule I am making. I will not tell you answer. I'll explain you concept. Further, you have to understand the calculation part. Chandana, 11th question. What is the
Sir, one
concept in this?
select same temperature.
Uh, same temperature, so what?
Water vapors will not go if it is closed.
If container is closed,
Yes,
water vapor will be present in the same container. Their pressure will be same. If container is open, and in that case, if you take more volume, they will be responsible for the more vapor formation. But here temperature is same. So like you take 100 degrees Celsius temperature for both, pressure will also be same because pressure directly proportional to the temperature. Then you will say, कि, sir, pressure also inversely proportional to volume. Yes, it does, but not in the vapor closed form. Not in this. Correct?
yes.
Pratigya, 10th question. Pratigya, concept.
सर प्रतिज्ञा नहीं है क्लास में.
ओके, तो सानिया तुम बताओ फिर। तुमने ये क्वेश्चन में पूछा था डाउट में।
यस सर। सर इसमें सर सर हम लोग पीवी इज इक्वल टू एनआरटी डाल के कर सकते हैं।
See, the main concept is same gas you have. So number of
नंबर
moles
ऑफ
will be
मोल्स
same.
सेम रहेगा हाँ।
And here, if number of moles is same, according to PV is equal to nRT. R is constant, number of moles are constant. So nR will be equal to PV by T. Pressure is changing, volume is changing, temperature is also affected. So P1 V1 by T1 will be equal to P2 V2 by T2. Okay, this is T1, this is P1, expand, this is P2, 1 atmospheric pressure. This is V2, this is V1, because V2 is 10 time of V1. You have to calculate temperature. Okay, Barinder, ninth question. Barinder,
यस सर।
what should I do in this?
सर जो पहले तो प्रेशर है वो 2 टाइम्स है जो प्रेशर ऑफ बी,
Hmm.
एंड डेंसिटी 1.5 टाइम्स है।
Hmm.
तो जो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट है वो डेंसिटी के इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है और डेंसिटी के डायरेक्टली।
Okay, then after that,
बस
PV is equal to nRT. P NV by NVRT, and which is number of moles is given weight by volume, because given weight by molar mass is the formula of number of moles, correct? And this is equal to density. So rho RT by M. Here temperature is constant, density is different, molecular weight, density, and pressure should be your part because temperature is constant. So you can say RT will be equal to PM by rho, right? PM by rho. So this is fixed. Can we say P1 M1 by rho 1 is equal to P2 M2 by rho 2? You have density, you have pressure, you have to calculate molecular mass of A and B, M1 by M2. Can you calculate this now? Hello, Jordan.
Are you busy right now?
Yeah, I'm taking class.
Okay, so I just want to know tomorrow what time will you be able to take class?
Tomorrow, 6
Yes, sir.
to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9 o'clock morning.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, sure, 9 o'clock.
Okay, sir. I'll keep an alarm then.
Okay. And call me around 8:30.
8:30. Okay, sir. I'll do that.
Okay.
So also, can you speak to parents today if it's possible?
Today after class, yeah, like I'll tell you within 20 minutes, 20, 30 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So next, whose turn is this? Pratigya, 8th question. Pratigya,
सब PV
what is
equal to
STP?
NRT फॉर्मूला लगा है.
PV is equal to NRT formula लगाया. Okay, then उसके बाद
वॉल्यूम पूछा है.
हाँ.
वॉल्यूम निकाला था NRT by P. N equal to 4.5 kg मतलब 400 500 ग्राम डिवाइडेड बाय वाटर का 8 तो 250
molar
समथिंग
mass,
कुछ आएगा.
molar mass, right?
हाँ मोल.
हाँ.
हाँ देन यहाँ पर आर का
Temperature
वैल्यू
और pressure will be down.
0.082 लगेगा.
यहाँ फिर
सही क्या?
temperature you will have 273 Kelvin and pressure will be 1
223 हाँ
atmospheric, which is equal to 10 raised to
1
power 5 Pascal.
okay पास्कल.
Okay, this is the criteria.
लेकिन मैं
And
1
need
एटमॉस्फेयर लेके की थी.
correct. So
तो वो
intermolecular force, हाँ बोलो, पता है क्या?
नहीं कुछ नहीं.
Okay. So when this give कि intermolecular force vanish away, इसका मतलब ये है कि this is ideal gas. When intermolecular forces vanish away or zero, it is a ideal gas. And that's why we are using this equation. PV is equal to nRT because of the ideal nature. Anvita, 7th question. What should I do? It's,
हाँ सर एक सेकंड. सर P3 सबसे ज्यादा होगा क्या?
see, this is Charles' law. And according to Charles' law, V directly proportional to T.
Yes.
And in this case, you know, V will be equal to nRT by P. Correct? V is equal to nRT by P. Here, it is asking T and V graph. T should be equal to PV by NR. Yes or no? T is equal to PV by NR. T in y-axis, V in x-axis. Remaining is y is equal to mx plus c. Y instead of I you have T, M, P, N, R, X, V. So if slope is more, then P value will be more because this is slope. Okay, this is slope. And if slope is more, then P value will be more. And here, this slope is the biggest, second biggest, third biggest. So P1 value will be maximum here. Anybody have doubts? Should I explain this again? More important is what is asked. If I do this, तो यहाँ पे मैं उल्टा कर दूंगा. I'll make it उल्टा. Now I'll see कि P1 slope is maximum, so it means this value will be minimum. But you have to make sure which coordinate you are taking in y and x axis, t and v graph. If you take vt graph, it will be ulta. Okay. If you take vt graph, then answer will be A. Anybody have doubt in this?
No, sir.
Yeah. Though this is JEE question, but it is the simplest question in the simplest form. Volume expansion coefficient. We are done with thermal uh, properties of matter, and there we have delta V is equal to gamma alpha beta gamma. Either you write alpha V or gamma, it's your choice. You can write gamma or you can write alpha V, both are correct. Gamma V delta T. Okay, so this gamma is volume expansion coefficient, correct? To calculate this, you should know what is the value of volume, correct? So in this case, how to calculate? First, put the equation. I'll do this properly. Keep pressure. This is the equation. You have to calculate volume coefficient. Okay. I will take this part. Remember this coming test. And in coming test, for every mistake, for every mistake, there will be 5 minutes, not 3 minutes next time. 5 minutes. Okay. Move to the question. You know it is Pt square which is equal to constant. And you also know you have to calculate volume expansion which is equal to gamma V delta T or alpha V delta T. It's your choice which one you want to write. मैंने पहले दोनों लिखे हैं. I wrote both, so it's your choice. If I have to calculate, let's say gamma, it will be delta V by V delta T. Okay, this is what I have to calculate. For this, I need this delta V by V as well as delta T. How should I do this differentiation? Correct. So let's see here. Pt square is equal to constant, and you know P is equal to nRT by V according to ideal gas equation. So it will be nRT by V into T square, which is equal to constant. Can we say T cube will directly proportional to V? Any doubt? And if I take any constant, so can I also say if you remove this, write any proportionally constant like it? Tell me guys, any doubt till here, because we solved this kind of question in NEET also. यहाँ कोई doubt है?
No, sir.
Yes sir.
No, sir.
But we need
No, sir.
delta form. Good. We need delta form, so we have to do differentiation. Understood? We need delta form. That's why we have to do differentiation with respect to T. Example. If I do differentiation of this, it will be D delta Q by dt. With respect to temperature, same here. D by dt with respect to volume. Volume with respect to temperature. What will be the benefit? You will get delta V by delta T. This is what we need here. Sania, what is the differentiation of this?
So 3t square.
3t square is equal to K constant. This will be dV by dt. Correct. So what will be dV value? Delta V will be equal to 3t square by K constant dt.
Yes.
Correct. Now you tell me, does it look like this? Delta V is equal to gamma V delta T, or dV is equal to gamma V delta T. Both are the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Both are the same form. Exactly. There is no difference at all between these two. You can write delta or D, meaning it's same. Correct. So can I say this form is equal to what? 3t square by K is equal to gamma V.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So what will be the gamma value?
3t square by v into k.
Correct. And what is kV value here? T cube. T cube. Uh, this and this cancel. This and this cancel. Can we say it will be 3 by T? How many of you solved this question?
Sir, I got it wrong.
You got it wrong. अन्विता, अच्छा अन्विता तुमने अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया था. चंदना,
Yes, sir, I got right answer.
okay. Barinder,
No, sir.
प्रतिज्ञा,
Yes, sir.
सही आंसर होता तुम्हारा. अब सोचो, अब ये जेई फिजिक्स थी. दिस वाज जेई फिजिक्स. अब तुम्हें करना क्या था? दिस वाज द कंप्लीट आंसर, बट here PT square, first you have to convert into volume and temperature form. So, ideal gas equation. Okay. Second, whenever you will get ideal gas equation, you will convert into this form. So you have to do differentiation as well, because you get delta V delta T by doing differentiation. That's all. So what I'm able to understand, कि I have to use ideal gas equation for VT form, and second, I have to do differentiation because I need delta V from delta T. That's all. That is the basic concept of this question. अब मुझे बताओ guys, all of you tell me, is JEE really difficult or is physics really difficult? If you understand कि I have to focus on two words, ideal gas equation and differentiation, nothing else. Yes or no? Is physics really difficult?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
It's just because you have fear of physics. And reason why you have fear of physics, I guess, you try to make the physics more complicated. This is the only reason. यही मेन कारण है कि जब हम इसको लेंथी बनाते हैं तो हमारा इंटरेस्ट भी खत्म होता है. अब यहाँ पे हमने इसको बहुत शॉर्ट में 2 सेंटेंस में रखा. We made it into 2 sentences. If you have to solve this question, first you have to convert into ideal gas equation. Second, you have to do differentiation. Done. अब आसान लग रहा है बोलना? Same thing. Is it easy to say that you have to in only these two things? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. So physics is not tough. It's just you have to understand this key how to solve question. Next question. Chandan. 2 mole of a monoatomic gas mixed with 6 mole of diatomic gas. What is the molar specific heat of the mixture at constant volume? At constant volume. Direct formula based question.
Yes, sir.
Total number of moles and total specific heat capacity will be equal to number of moles of first and uh, specific heat capacity of first, second specific heat capacity of second. You know N1 value 2, N2 value 6. Final value you have to calculate. C1 value for monoatomic gas 3 by 2 R and for diatomic gas 5 by 2 R. Yes or no? Correct. Now you put value and you will get answer in this one. Guys, physics question very difficult. Correct. JEE physics question are very difficult. Correct. Pratigya,
हाँ सर।
physics के question बहुत tough होते हैं ना JEE वाले.
सर आजकल तो नहीं
हाँ
होते
कुछ
हैं,
कुछ
मतलब
होते हैं।
पहले बहुत ज्यादा होते थे।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, बात ये भी है कि अंडरस्टैंडिंग हमारी कैसी. जब हमें समझ में नहीं आता ना, when we are not able to understand, तो हमें सब टफ लगता है. And when you start solving question, तो वही चीजें आसान लगती है ना. बस this is all the difference. Next question, Sania. Molar heat capacity of process A and B is this. At constant pressure, constant volume is CpCv. Choose the correct option.
सर ऑप्शन बी, नन ऑफ द अबव।
How?
सर क्योंकि सर सीपी इज इक्वल टू, सर सीपी कभी सीवी से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता,
Hmm.
तो सर सी ऑप्शन तो नहीं होगा।
C, Cp Cv से तो बड़ा हो ही सकता है. Cp is always greater than Cv because Cp Cv value is example in monoatomic gas 3 by 2 or 1 and a half. Cp value 5 by 2, 2 and a half. Which one is greater?
सर सीपी इज ग्रेट, हाँ हाँ, सीपी इज ग्रेटर।
Exactly. Cp is always greater than Cv. That's why your gamma value, which is equal to Cp by Cv, is always greater than 1. Correct?
यस सर।
In this situation, tan inverse gamma. So can we say, according to the graph, this graph, in first graph like this, This is log P. This is log V. This is some angle, theta, correct? And we are saying कि this tan inverse gamma is equal to log P by log V.
Yes, sir.
So can we say कि gamma will be equal to and it will be equal to theta,
Yes, sir.
right? Because tan theta is equal to gamma,
Yes, sir.
correct? And it will be equal to log P by log V according to the graph.
Yes, sir.
And gamma value is always greater than 1,
Yes, sir.
correct? So can we say P will be equal to V gamma? Chandana? Not PV gamma. P is equal to V gamma according to this. Why? Because log P is equal to gamma into log V,
Yes, sir.
correct?
P is equal
So
to log.
the coefficient will come into the power
Yes, sir.
if you want to remove log. So if this is the situation, can we say PV minus gamma is equal to constant,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes.
Anybody have doubt or like it is too confusing to Pratigya, Parinder, Anvita, Chandana?
Understood.
Okay. Parinder, Anvita, Pratigya.
No doubts.
Okay. So what we are understanding here, key, this tan inverse gamma is equal to how you calculate slope, especially for the people who don't have math, especially for Barinder and Anvita. Both of you don't have math. These three people, Chandana, Sania, and Pratigya had math in 11th class. Okay. So here, this is slope. How we calculate slope? Tan theta is equal to y-axis divided by x-axis. Here y-axis value given according to the graph log p. This value log v. So it will be equal to log p by log v, which is equal to gamma because here it is tan inverse gamma. Tan will go to another side, it will become theta. And theta is equal to gamma is equal to log p by log v. Okay. So in this case, if you calculate Cp will be always greater than Cv. That is no doubt. We have to find out what is the relation of Ca and Cb. This is our requirement. We have to calculate what is the relation between Ca and Cb. Which one will be greater? How to calculate? Angle. Here it is, in case of B, angle is 45. In case of A, angle is tan theta is equal to gamma. And you know, oh, let me tell you in the easiest way. Forget about everything. I am not telling you any math. Tan 45 value is equal to 1. And here in A case, this is in B. In A, tan theta is equal to gamma. And gamma value is always greater than 1. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Gamma value is always greater than 1. One concept. And second, in case of B, 1045 will be 1. Tell me which value will be more, 1045 or 10 gamma, like 10 theta, which is equal to gamma. Which value will be more? Where you will have
10
more angle?
gamma will be
Gamma will be more. Can we say CA will be greater than CB?
no, sir.
Yes, CA will be greater than CB. Why? In B it is 1. In A it is more than 1. So CA is greater than CB. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Here B is infinity, A is 0. Wrong. A is 0, B is infinity. Same option. Wrong. Uh, here in C option, A is equal to B. Wrong. Then D is the answer. Now tell me, guys, was it really difficult? If you don't do anything, just compare their angle 1045 and tan theta is equal to gamma. Gamma is greater than 1, approximately 1.4, 1.3, something like that, 1.6. Correct? So it is slightly greater than. That's all. You will get the answer. बताओ कुछ भी नहीं करना, कैलकुलेशन ही नहीं करनी. बताओ अनविता, बहुत आसान लग रहा है ये क्वेश्चन.
हाँ सर.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Whose turn is this? Barinder. N number of moles of polyatomic gas, degree of freedom 6, mixed with 2 moles of monoatomic gas. Mixture behave as diatomic gas. What is the value of N? We already did this question. Here it is present in the form of degree of freedom. We did in this form. Number of moles total and heat capacity total is equal to number of moles of 1, heat capacity of 1, number of moles of 2, heat capacity of 2. हमने ऐसे किया था. We did like that. Here, number of moles will be present in the same form. You know, CV is written in the form of F by 2R. So can we say CV directly depend upon F, degree of freedom? Can we also write N1 plus N2 degree of freedom is equal to N1 degree of freedom and N2 degree of freedom? Reason? Reason is this. Degree of freedom is decided by the, like, will decide CV value. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So, uh, for polyatomic gas, you have to calculate N value. Degree of freedom given. N2 value 2. Monoatomic gas, degree of freedom 3. Mixture diatomic gas, degree of freedom 5. So you have all the values. You have all three F. Total F 5. F1 for the first gas 6. F2 3. Yes or no? Was it really difficult?
No, sir.
Exactly. The remaining two questions we'll do later. These are slightly longer explanation, but today you have to send me all these 18 question explanation in detail. And trust me, once you start solving more questions, you will always feel it doesn't matter whether it is JEE or it is mains. More important is understanding of the topic. Example here, what we are doing. In previous topic, it was the CV. Here, CV directly depend upon the degree of freedom. You are just adding degree of freedom everywhere. You had one question from here, then, right? Got it? So solve this 18 question again and send me. But if you already did this 2-3 times, make it fast. Finish it in half an hour and send me fast. But it should be proper explanation. Why? Next year you have both the chapter. You can't take risk. Example 20 question. I will give 10 question from this chapter, 10 question from the new chapter waves. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can't take risk. That's why do those 18 question perfectly. Okay. And Sania, you already sent me question. मुझे याद है वो अच्छे से. बट अभी टाइम की शॉर्टेज की वजह से हम आज नहीं कर पाए, बट 100% हम कल करेंगे. ओके.
Okay, sir.
just because time shortage. बट
सर मेरे
अगर तुम
दूसरे
18
चैप्टर से भी कुछ डाउट्स थे सर, मैं वो भेज दूं?
बिल्कुल हम कल ही कर लेंगे सारे डाउट.
ओके सर.
Okay, so tomorrow you will minimum have 3 class. And when we are doing 3 class tomorrow, it will be in the morning. It will be chemistry.
So all of
Okay,
them, or just one class in the morning and the remaining?
in the evening. Yes. One night class physics, one afternoon class will be physics again tomorrow. And if we can hold 4 class, then one class will be biology. I'll try to hold 4 if I can tomorrow. Then one class will be biology. But 2 physics and 1 chemistry will be definitely there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And for mole concept, I will not take more than 2 class because I don't think like literally you need more than 2 class for mole concept. मैंने देखा कि many coaching institute take almost 1 month in the beginning for mole concept, and for me it doesn't make sense. That's why you will feel कि even we are starting very late, still will finish syllabus in January. Reason? Because we will give less time wherever it is required. Okay, just like in 2 class we'll finish mole concept. In 3 class I'll finish uh, atomic structure. In 2 class I'll finish periodic classification. But for equilibrium I'll take more time because equilibrium, chemical and ionic are confusing. Okay. Do you agree with that or you feel कि नहीं sir हम तो बहुत तेज जा रहे हैं, we are going fast?